Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we will continue the number pattern series that we were following in the previous videos. So in this video I will be discussing about the another type of number pattern, that is in the form of increasing order in the form of row. Okay, so what do we mean by that? Means, see, in the first row you can see the row value is 1, in the second row it's 2, then 3, in the third row it's continuing from the previous row, that is 4, 5 and 6, and in the fourth row it's continuing from the third row, that is 7, 8, 9, 10. Means there is one similar pattern between the previous row last value and the current row first value. Let me repeat again. Previous row last value and current row first value means this, 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 right? It's increasing, means it's related to each other. So we can simply take an extra variable, let's say value, which will be initialized by 1 because it's starting from 1, and after each iteration of the row we will be incrementing. That's all. And the iteration of the for loops I have discussed in earlier videos. You can check out that. I will also leave the link in the description. You can check out that. So let's code it. So as always, I will be taking two variables, int ij for I for inner loop, j for outer loop, and one extra variable that will be iterate over the rows, that is value. It will be initialized by 1 as we discussed. So let us iterate the outer loop, that is from 1, and also we want to take the number of rows. See, in the example how many rows I have taken? 1 2 3 4, right? So we will be taking user input row, this all we discussed, that double for loop how it will iterate. Means first I value 1, then it will iterate until j value is satisfied for the particular for loop. Again I value 2, again j will run for that particular I. Again I value 3, again j will run until and unless it satisfies the I value. Like this it will run, and simply we will print the value. Let's give a space between, and after each iteration I want a new line, because see, after each iteration it's coming to new line, it's coming again new line, then again new line. So let us run and take the input as 4. See what are the mistakes we have done. 1, it's still 1, then still 1, means we have printed the value, that is initially it was initialized by 1, but for iteration and changing the values, we have to increment the value whenever it prints, right? So here we get the desired output, that is 1 in first row, 2 3 second row, 4 5 6 third row, 7 and 9 in fourth row. So let me explain once again how the flow goes. See, value is now 1. Okay, so the I value will be coming here and j will be here, and it will print the value. Now the value will be incremented. Now value is 2. Again it will iterate in the second line. Now our I will be here and j will be here. For this value 2 will be printed, again j will be incremented, again 3 will be printed, again value will be incremented, and it will be 4. again I will be coming here and it will be 4, it will print the 4 value, and j will be coming here, again it will print 5, again value will also be 5, again value will also be 6, it will print same, again it will come in the next line and it will also update the value of iteration. Again I will be in the last row and it will print the current value, that is 7, it will increment, again j will be increment, again it will print, again it will increment, again j will also be incremented, again it will print, again j will also be incremented. Like this the flow goes, and here is the code, you can check out and dry run the solution. See guys, one very basic advice I want to give: always and always dry run the code like how I did here, like this, in a pencil, in a pen and paper. This is the most and important approach, especially for beginners who want to understand the code flow, how the entire flow goes. So if you really like this video, please do subscribe my channel, and I will be uploading more tutorials on related to programming and placement preparation. So stay connected. Thank you.